Here's episode 2 of the kitchen rebuild process. Probably not a real lot to show you in this video because, well, there's been a lot of hard work going into it, but not a real lot to record. A bit of time lapse of building cabinets and still got a lot to go. But that's part of building the job, isn't it? Anyway. Alright, so here's some of the finished cabinets, or assembled cabinets I should say. They did stuff up my order and I have to return quite a few cabinets and get correct size ones. That was their fault, not mine. So still got a lot to do, but they're coming together. Okay, so not a real lot to report in the kitchen. I have been working on this wall. We decided not to have too big an opening here, where originally we were going to have a much bigger opening, and if that doesn't look straight, that's because it's not in permanently yet. I've got to trim a little bit of bricks at the top here, but I had to fix a whole heap of these bricks because they actually fell out. Weren't real well bricked to begin with, and then there's a whole heap of trimming to do, replacing of some gyprock in preparation for the new post, which is going to go in the edge of the new islandage. So yeah, not a real lot to report inside, but a lot of work's been done. I didn't film any of the bricking. I don't like bricklaying and I'm not that great at it, so I wasn't going to have anybody comment and say how bad a job I was doing. In fact, pretty much decided that this part here is going to be gyprocked, which will make the kitchen much lighter anyway, and we are going to put a skylight into the hallway as well, make it brighter. Anyway, that's it for this week. Again, no fry bat, but that's okay. I'm sure you'll understand. Very busy working on this damn kitchen and want to get it done for the wife. Anyway, see you next week.